None. Python is a popular programming language that's super beginner-friendly. Think of it as a tool to tell your computer what to do. Cool, right? First, let's talk about the basics. In Python, you use something called code to give instructions. Here's an example. Print, hello world. This tiny line of code tells your computer to show the words, hello world on the screen. Simple, huh? Python is great for lots of things like web development, data analysis, and even creating games. It's powerful, yet easy to learn. Before you know it, you'll be writing your own code and making your computer do awesome stuff. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So grab a notepad and let's start learning Python together. Stay tuned for more easy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more Python basics. See you next time.